Placement of the 12 Rashi names in a Rashi Chakra or a Rashi chart. Namaskaram. Welcome to Mata Bhuvneshwari Jodidam. We have already gone through the names of the Navagraha, the 12 Rashi and the 27 Nakshatra in Vedic astrology. If you have missed the other video, then please go through the previous video for a better understanding of the current session. I have given the link of the video in the description box. Today, we will know about a Rashi Chakra, the usage of a Rashi Chakra, how a basic Rashi Chakra is made, different types of Rashi Chakra we have in the Vedic astrology, and how the 12 Rashi and the respective Rashi Nathan names are placed in a Rashi Chakra. What is a Rashi Chakra? A basic Rashi Chakra is about knowing the placement of the 12 Rashi and the 27 Nakshatra in a basic Rashi Chakra or in a Rashi Chakra. Only after this, we can start working with the Rashi Chakra and make a Janma Rashi Chakra from it. The Janma Rashi Chakra is the most important Rashi Chakra in the horoscope of any individual. Thus, the understanding of the construction of a Rashi Chakra and the placement of the 12 Rashi and the 27 Nakshatra in a Rashi Chakra is very important. This basic Rashi Chakra is not only used in making of a Janma Rashi Chakra, but is used in the making of all other charts or chakra in Vedic astrology, such as to make a Navamsha Chakra, Hora Chakra, Triganam Chakra, and many more chakra or charts in Vedic astrology. We need to have a strong knowledge of the basic Rashi Chakra. Please note that irrespective of whose Janma Rashi Chakra we are making, the placement of the 12 Rashi names and the 27 Nakshatra names in a Rashi Chakra will always remain same. Let us understand the usage of a Rashi Chakra. As the Navagraha keeps on moving from one Rashi and Nakshatra to another Rashi and Nakshatra, a Rashi Chakra is a chart that shows the location of the Navagraha at a particular time. A Janma Rashi Chakra is a chart that shows the location of the Navagraha at the time of birth of a person. A Janma Rashi Chakra is also known as a Rashi Chakra or a Rashi chart or a Lagna chart or Lagna Chakra or a D1 chart. From a Janma Rashi Chakra, we get to know the Janma Lagna and the Janma Rashi of a person. We can also find out the positions or placements of the remaining Navagraha at the time of birth of a person from a Janma Rashi Chakra. How a basic Rashi Chakra is made? Based on the round shape of Earth, the space around the Earth is considered to be a circle which is of 360 degree. But using a circle as a Rashi Chakra may not be convenient to work with. So the same 360 degree circle is shown in either rectangle or square shaped Rashi Chakra. Please note that irrespective of the shape of a Rashi Chakra, it will always represent the same 360 degree circle around the earth. As we have 12 Rashi, the Rashi Chakra will have 12 houses, allotting one house to each Rashi. Each house will be of 30 degree. When these 30 degree are multiplied with the 12 houses in a Rashi Chakra, it will give us a total of 360 degree. After the understanding of the placement of the 12 Rashi and the 27 Nakshatra in a Rashi Chakra, we can make a Janma Rashi Chakra from it. A Janma Rashi Chakra is made by obtaining the date of birth, the place of birth, and the time of birth of a person. Please note that making a Janma Rashi Chakra involves elaborate calculations. At present, we have many software available in the market which has made obtaining a Janma Rashi Chakra very easy. In my future videos, I may show you how a Janma Rashi Chakra is made with manual calculations. Now, let us see how many types of Rashi Chakra we have in the Vedic astrology. In the Vedic astrology, 3 types of Rashi Chakra are broadly used. This Rashi Chakra is used in West Bengal, Orissa, and some parts of northeast India. This Rashi Chakra is mostly used in North India. This Rashi Chakra is used in South India. Except some basic differences in the construction of these 3 Rashi Chakra, all other rules of Vedic astrology remains same for all the different types of Rashi Chakra or Rashi charts. As most of my studies and predictions are done by using the South Indian style of Rashi Chakra, I will be using the South Indian style of Rashi Chakra in most of my videos. I may make another video in future to explain the basic differences between these 3 Rashi Chakra. Now, let us see how the 12 Rashi and their respective Rashi Nadan names are placed in a Rashi Chakra. In this Rashi Chakra, the first house will always have the first Rashi name, that is Mesham. Then the second Rashi house will have the second Rashi name, Rishabham, and so on. In this Rashi Chakra, the Rashi names will be placed in a clockwise direction. After the placement of the Rashi names and their respective Rashi Nathan names, a Rashi Chakra will look like this. I would like to repeat here that irrespective of whatever is the position of the Navagraha in any individual horoscope, these placement of the Rashi names and their Rashi Nathan names will remain unchanged. In a South Indian style of Rashi Chakra, this rule will never change. The first house will always belong to Mesham and so on. It will follow the same sequence as shown here. In my upcoming videos, I will show you how the 27 nakshatra are placed in these 12 houses of the Rashi Chakra. In the comment section, please let me know how far this video has been helpful to you. Also, let me know if you want me to make videos on any other topics related to Vedic astrology. Please like, subscribe, and share my video, and click the bell icon for further updates. Thank you.